As a filmmaker, one thing I do a lot is edit videos, and to do that I have to sit at my desk. A chair is not something you really think of as crazy tech, but right here we've got the Herman Miller Aeron. This is a pretty cool chair that has tons of levers and buttons and is the perfect chair for any tech person and filmmakers. So you may know the Embody. It's a popular chair that a lot of filmmakers use. But after going to Herman Miller's very own store and trying out every single chair that they have, I found that the Aeron is actually a really great option. It's got the fabric that I like. It's really bouncy, it's super light, and it's got a lot of buttons and knobs. More importantly, this was a few $100s cheaper. Yes, a few $100s can get you a whole chair, but for this one, it's only about $1,000. Only because the Embody is about $1,400. So let's see what $1,000 can get you on sale. The material is actually more of a springy. This is kind of like a diving board. It's all fixed right here, but the chair is kind of bouncy, and the material is more of a woven nylon sort of thing. It's not actually fabric at all, which is nice. The armrests are fully adjustable as you would expect. You can move them forward and back. You can also move them out to the side. And then on the back right here, we can unlock this lever, and we can even move the armrest up and down. And this is fully adjustable on both armrests. And one thing that's pretty cool is that you can totally customize this chair. They have it in 3 different sizes, and you can pick whether you want this chair to have armrests that move up and down. You can pick whether you want the back support, whether you want these different knobs to adjust. You can really customize the chair, which is pretty cool. So speaking of the back support, this has 2 paddles right here, one on the lower, one on the top. This puts pressure on your back to improve posture, and we got our knobs right here to adjust. So it's going to teach you great posture in this chair. You have to learn how to sit good and not slouch in the chair. That way these things right here can actually do their job, because you spend an extra $150 on these, so you better use them. We've also got a lot of things for your angling. So on this side right here, we can choose whether we want to sit at a normal right angle, or if we want to be able to be launched forward out of the chair, which is a little interesting. We can also choose how much we want to recline. I have it in full recline mode because I sit back and watch my final products a lot. On this side, we can raise the chair up and down, obviously, because this is the chair. We can also adjust the tension that is required when you lean back. This chair has a ton of buttons and knobs. It's a super tacked out and high-end chair, and for $1,000 you do get a lot of stuff with it. It took me a little while to figure out what the best settings were for me, what I like the best, but overall, once you do get this tuned to you, this is a really amazing chair. Yes, it's a big investment, but as much as I sit at the computer, it's really worth it. We've been doing a lot of stuff with ergonomics. You see we have floating monitors now. Up next is hopefully a standing desk, but not yet, because I have to use this chair and get my money's worth before I can get a standing desk. But there you go. That's all for this video. That's it for this $1,000 high-end Herman Miller chair. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this strange video about chairs, leave this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with I Will Tech Win Toy, and I'll see you in the next one.